Okay, right. Now let's start. Let us start a new pattern. Let us start a new pattern. New pattern on the numbering. So here in the above one, all of eighth one is in the first line 1, then 1 2, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's go with reverse, guys. First in first line 1 2 3 4 5, then 1 2 3 4. Let's decrease one by one. 1 2 3, then 1 2, then 1. This is what we'll try, all of you. This pattern we'll try now. Okay, the same one I'll take in the paint, guys. Right. Now all of you observe. Right. So these are the I values, guys. I value 1 2 3 4 5. Right. So I'll take the I values here. I'll take the I values. Means I means represents row. Okay. So first one I equal to 1, then I equal to 2, I equal to suppose 3, then I equal to 4, and then I equal to 5. I equal to 5. All of you guys. Okay. Right. So 1 second here. That's fine. Now, all of you, let's talk about the J. J means columns. J means what? Columns. When I value 1, then J repeating how many times, guys? Here repeating 5 times. When I value 2, J repeating 4 times. When I value 3, J repeating 3 times. When I value 4, J repeating 2 times. And then when I value 5, J repeat one time. One time. J means columns. This is the columns, right? Okay, columns, guys. These are the columns. Okay, right. So let me take here. Let me take the first one. What's first one? This is the when J is the 1. When J1, then J2 means second iteration, guys. Then J3, then J4, then J5. Means when I value 1, J how many times repeating 5 times. J repeating 5 times. Next, when I value 2, J repeating how many times now? J repeating okay, 4 times, guys, right? 4 times. So like J is the 1, then J is the 2, then J is the 3, then J is the 4. Okay, all of you. Right. Next, next, here when J is the 1 and J is 2, guys, and then J is 3. When I value 3, J repeating 3 times. When I value 4, then J how many times repeating, guys, here? Only 2 times. Okay, only 2 times. At last, when I value 5, J repeating only 1 time only 1 time. All of you, right? So right now I'll write the step by step, guys, here. First time when I value is 1, at that time what is the J? When I value is 1, J how many times repeating? All of you observe here. When I value 1, J how many times repeating? 5 times, right? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5. That's all. When I value 2, when I value 2 guys, when I value 2, j how many times repeating here? 4 times. When I value 2, j repeating 4 times. 1 2 3 4, only 4 times. Okay, when I value 3, j repeating 3 times. Okay, 1 2 3. When I value 4, j how many times repeating now? 1 comma 2 times. When I value 5, j repeating only one time, only one time, that's all. So guys, as for this one, we can write the logic, right? If you know this process guys, then writing the logic very simple. Writing the logic very simple. The same time, what to print here? Numbering. Which numbering print? When I value 1, what I want to print there? I want to print 1 2 3 4, means I want to print the j values, right? When I value 1, I want to print all j values, 1 2 3 4 5. When I value 2, I want to print what again? 1 2 3 4, means I want to print 1 2 3 4 j values. When I value 3, I want to print again j values 1 2 3, means printing is what? J, right? Printing j, right? Now let me take our python, our ideally, right? So I'm going to comment this one, right? All of you guys observe now. Pattern 9, pattern 9, input of enter any, sorry, enter n number of rows, enter n number of rows, then evolve, and then n. Okay, all of you, right? So for I in range of, all of you observe how many rows are there? 5 rows, right? All of you, 5 rows. Always I start with what? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I starting with 1 up to 5. 5 means n is the 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. End value 6 means it considered the one value before. That is 5 only. 5 only will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you. Actually, this is the casual, right? This is 6 here. But in Python, end value 6 means what? It takes before 5 only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. That is over. For j in range of, for j in a range of yes. Now you tell me guys, what is the range of j loop range? All of you. See, in every program, we need to think which one, this one only guys. Till now, out of all the patterns, where is the little bit more logic in this case only? In the I loop range, no logic. Same we are using as it is. Only J loop range only. Okay, we have to use the different logic as per our displaying part. Okay. So first time what I want to display? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 display. Starting 1 is the right. Starting what? 1. Up to 5 I want to display. Up to 5 means I take the same n. N means what? 5. So 5 means before 1, no, 4. 1 to 4 means, 1 to 4 means what comes? Tell me now, observe here, all of you. So 1 to 5 means 1 to 4, right? So initially, what is the I value? 1. Then coming to j, what displays now? 1, 2, 3, 4 will display. I have taken the n, right? N means what? 5. 5 before 4, 1 to 4 will come. Second time also same will come. Second time when I value 2, again same will come, right? Okay, again what comes here? Again 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. But what I want now, I want the j number can be decreased like this. Okay, so 5 is to 4, 3, 2, 1. At that time, let me try to use plus 1 minus I. For example, guys, plus 1 minus I, plus 1 minus I. Then when I value 1, all of you, when I value 1, then n plus 1, how much here? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. I'll write 5, okay? 5 guys, right? First time 5. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. Next time when I value 2, here, when I value 2, n plus 1, 6, means n means what? I told you already, we always consider 5. Generally, our fixed number, we are taking the 5, okay? So when I value 2, n plus 1, 6, 6 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. I'll write 6 minus 2, how much? 4, okay? 4. The previous case, how much coming, guys? Here, I am taking the I, right? I means what? 1 first time. So n plus 1, 6, right? Okay? 6 minus 1, 5. 5 before 4. Sorry, guys. Only 4 will come, okay? 4 will come, guys. All you can observe here. All of you can see the logic here. All of you. N plus 1, how much? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. In the value 5 means what? It takes up to 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. But what I want now, I want to get 5 also. Then what do? I'll take here plus 2, guys. I'll take what? Plus 2. N plus 2, how much? 6. 6 minus 1, all of you. Sorry, n plus 2 means what? 7, right? 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 before 5. So up to 5 will come. Up to 5 like this. All of you, if you take the n plus 2 minus 1, minus I, this is the correct, guys. Next time when I value 2, when I value 2 here, when I value 2, then n plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 1, 2, 5 means what will come now? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. So what comes now? 1, 2, 3, 4 will come. Yeah, this is the correct logic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, when I value 3, all of observe now. When I value 3, then 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. End value 4 means what? It takes before value up to 3 only. So 1, 2, 3 only will come. 1, 2, 3, guys, right? This is the correct 1, 2, 3 coming. Same. Next, when I value 4, then what will come now? 1, 2 will come. 1, 2, okay? 1, 2 will come, guys. When I value 5, when I value 5, then, so 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 5. This is 5, right? How much? 2. This is the 2. 1 to 2 means 1 will come, okay? What comes, guys, here? Just 1 will come. That's all. Right, guys? Logic over. Then, what I want to print now? What I want to print, all of you? What I want to print, all of you know? What I want to print the J, right? Print what? The J value, guys. First time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next time 1, 2, 3, 4. Next time 1, 2, 3. Next 1, 2. Next 1 like this. Okay. After J printing, we require space, right? Okay. Ind equal to what? Ind equal to space. Once enter iteration over, then go for the new iteration, new line. Okay. Now I run this one, all of you. I run this one. I can give the number of rows. I am giving 5. That's all. All of you. So I hope, guys, everybody's clear this one, right? When I value 1, how many times J repeating, guys? J repeating 5 times. This J repeat 5 times. So 5 times what? First time J value what here? 1. So 1 will print. Next time J value, in this case, okay, these guys. Which one? See, J printing and taking the space, right? So first 1 space, then 2 space, 3 space, 4 space, 5 space. Means first time the J loop over. Next, what is there? New line. Go for the new line. Now second time, second row, I value 2. When I value 2, then how many times? 4 times what print now? J printer. First time 1 printer, second time 2 printer, 3 printer, 4 printer. That's why 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, 4 space. Because after J, I am taking the space here. Iteration over. Next, when I value 3, how many times? So 3 times. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. When I value 4, how many times? 2 space, 2 times. 1 space, 2 space. Then 1 space. That's all. All of you. If you are clear, guys, then let's go for a new pattern. A new pattern. I am giving some number, some big number. Suppose that I am giving some big number 10. Yes, you can see now. All of you, guys. Okay, right. So this is what here pattern 9. Pattern 9, that's all.